Mastering Research Papers, a guide to formal writing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of formal writing, specifically focusing on research papers. Research papers are a crucial part of academics and professional work, where precise language and a formal tone are essential. So, grab your pen and notebook, and let's start the journey to understanding how to write an impeccable research paper. A research paper is a comprehensive essay that presents your interpretation or evaluation or argument. When you write a research paper, you build upon what you know about the subject and make a deliberate attempt to find out what experts know. It requires a formal style, structured organization, and a strong focus on the research question. The structure of a research paper typically includes 1. Title, represents the subject and grabs the reader's attention. 2. Abstract, a concise summary of the paper. 3. Introduction, introduces the topic and states the research question. 4. Methodology, details the methods used in the research. 5. Results, presents the findings of the research. 6. Discussion, analyzes and interprets the results. 7. Conclusion, summarizes the paper and highlights the key findings. 8. References, lists all the sources used in the research. The language used in research papers is formal and academic. Here's how you can achieve it. Avoid slang. Use precise academic vocabulary. Write in third person. Instead of I or we, use the researcher or the study. Use passive voice when needed. Example, the test was conducted, instead of I conducted the test. Be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary words and be to the point. Example of formal writing. The study focused on the effects of sunlight on plant growth, revealing a significant increase in growth rate under optimal sunlight conditions. Now, you can practice by taking a general statement and transforming it into formal writing. Practice. Informal. We checked out how plants grow in sunlight and, wow, they grow way faster with the right amount of light. Formal. Blank. Your turn to write it. Research papers are an essential aspect of formal writing, showcasing precision, clarity, and intellectual rigor. Hopefully, this video has demystified the process for you, making it easier to write your research paper. Keep practicing, and remember, your ideas deserve a strong and eloquent voice. Happy writing!